Amazon Business includes your independent venture can utilize. Unique limits, free sped-up delivery and mass requests are for the most part motivations to consider an Amazon Business account. You have most likely shopped on Amazon.com to buy limited and mass things. In the event that you haven't, you're at any rate mindful of the e-tail monster. Be that as it may, for independent companies, Amazon Business can offer significantly a larger number of advantages than simply modest costs and free delivering. Amazon's program gives enrolled clients an assortment of advantages that are not accessible to normal Amazon account holders. Fundamentally, an Amazon Business account makes acquiring corporate things and supplies through Amazon consistent, proficient and cheap. What is Amazon Business? Amazon Business makes acquiring on Amazon simpler for enrolled organizations, and it's free. Essentially, click Create Free Account on the Amazon Business page, and you will be guided through the arrangement procedure. The individual who makes the record is the executive, and their data is utilized to confirm the record. When the record is made, the executive can include individuals who would then be able to include gatherings, cause buys, to make endorsement work processes and include buy request numbers. Besides, the director can include and oversee business record such highlights as installment strategies and delivery addresses. Business evaluating and enormous amount limits, even assessment exception benefits, are advantages for enlisted business account clients. Amazon Business administrations can be connected to existing Amazon Prime records. To get familiar with Amazon Business, visit the Fundamental Greeting page. You can pursue a free 30-day preliminary. As you start making buys, you'll have the option to see Amazon's business analytics to see every one of the information about your requests and make reports. Estimating. Amazon Business offers limits on a huge number of items. It likewise gives value breaks on multi-unit buys and enables the client to see different ideas from an assortment of dealers on a solitary page. The site offers amount limits and layered evaluating limits for higher volume buys on select things. To show things available to be purchased at a limited cost from taking part dealers, you can click Request a Quantity Discount. Transportation benefits. Like the free sending advantage of Amazon Prime, Amazon Business accounts get Business Prime shipping. That incorporates boundless, free 2-day dispatching on qualified things. Clients can pursue a Business Prime shipping yearly enrollment dependent on the quantity of clients their business account has. It's $499 for up to 10 clients, $1,299 for up to 100 clients and $10,099 for in excess of 100 clients. An Amazon Prime record can be connected to the business represent free. Prime participation makes you qualified for restrictive Prime Day bargains during the organization's yearly deals event. Additionally, in the event that you utilize an Amazon Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Show, Echo Plus, Echo Spot, Echo Look, and Tap, just as Fire TV, Fire tablets and an assortment of outsider gadgets for voice requesting through Amazon's Alexa, you're qualified for much more arrangements. Amazon Business offers a couple of various installment choices. A charge card can be added to the record that can be gotten to by numerous clients. Amazon likewise lets you open a corporate credit line. On the off chance that you go that course, you can approve numerous purchasers on a solitary record, download request history reports and pay by buy request. Amazon Business likewise incorporates with 30 basic buying frameworks, including Birch Street, Oracle iProcure and Spectrum. So in case you're accustomed to utilizing a punch-out program, despite everything you can. Other independent company benefits. The Amazon Tax Exemption Program (ATEP) permits Amazon Business clients to apply their duty exception status to qualified buys from Amazon, Amazon Digital Services, warehouse deals, Amazon Services or other taking and interest vendors. The Amazon Tax Exemption tool guides clients through the way toward taking a crack at the program. You can refresh your status and alter or transfer endorsements. When you audit your request, you can adjust which things ought to have the assessment exclusion declaration applied. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.